This video will show you how to add or associate names with your wireless phone numbers. This is accomplished using action items under the Account Maintenance portal. First, log into the Account Maintenance portal. You should land on this page after you sign in. In most cases, you will have several names to add or edit. In such cases, you want to upload an Excel spreadsheet file containing names and numbers using the Bulk Account Maintenance option. So let's go there. Click on Manage Account at the top of the page. This will open a submenu containing the Bulk Account Maintenance option. Clicking this option opens the Bulk Account Maintenance window. Select Upload User Information and click Continue. Now you're going to need a sample spreadsheet template that is custom formatted for this upload process. Simply click on Sample File to obtain your spreadsheet template. Once downloaded, open the Excel file. You will notice that all the instructions for populating data into the spreadsheet is included in the downloaded file. Now enter or copy and paste user first and last names along with their corresponding mobile numbers. Remember, if you're using generic names such as truck numbers, type truck in the first name field and the truck number in the last name field. Also, you're required to enter an email address for each entry. Again, you can use one email address for all your entries. Once you finish entering the data, save the file to your hard drive. You may change the file name if you wish. Now back at the Upload User Information page, click on Browse to find and select your Excel spreadsheet file. Click on Submit to upload. Not too bad, huh? Keep in mind, you can use this bulk upload process to make changes to existing user information. It simply overwrites previous information. Great for when you have multiple staff or organizational changes. That's it. Now jump over to the PTT Plus Contact Management video to learn how to add and manage contacts on your PTT Plus devices.